discount in this launching period of MarketPal. So check out the description box below and get the bonuses and coupon codes. So this is the dashboard of MarketPal. On the top here is a menu which includes audience, campaigns, A/B test, analytics, new. You can also access this menu from here on the top left corner of dashboard. So let's click on it. So in campaign there are three options: page, pop-up and bar, and mails. So let's start with the first option, page. So here you can see the page which are already created. You can simply import any page from this button. So let's make new page by simply click on this button. You can create any page like landing page, capture page or sales page. So for this demo, let's name it test page. Create. Now you can choose the page from these template gallery, or you can choose from my templates which you already saved, or you can create page from scratch. Okay. So in the first option box here you can choose from most converted or brand new pages. From the second option box you can choose your page type like lead generation, thank you, coming soon, webinar and so on. So scroll down and you can see there are so many templates are ready for you. So let's choose the first one, thank you page. So this is the template. From here you can change the image, delete, duplicate. You can move its position to forward or backward. You can crop it or rotate it, and hyperlink option is also there. You can also change the text by just clicking on it. So in simple words, you can customize the template and make your page according to your desire. Okay, so from this plus icon you can add elements. For example, let's add button to it. Just click on it and drag it. Again, you can edit it or customize it as per your needs. Now close this element box. From here on the top, from this gear icon, you can edit your settings like conversions goal, Google Analytics. You can add your tracking code here, Facebook remarketing. You can add JavaScript, SEO. This is a good option for ranking your page, cookie consent and restore versions. Okay, from next option, you can edit or save your page. Next option is know your editor. By clicking it, you will get step-by-step tutorial videos of MarketPal. This is actually a good option. By clicking on mobile, you can preview that how it will look on mobile, or you can edit this template for mobile also. Save as template, draft and preview options are also there. Now let's move to next step. So click on save and next. Here I can configure everything from the page. So where you want to publish this page. From here you can change the publish URL. .com branding on or off are also there. Privacy status, this is a very good option. You can hide page and share the page only to your particular customers with this password protected option. From here you can schedule or publish the page right now. Let's choose now and save and active. So page is going to publish right now. Now as you can see, there are three options here: edit, analytics and view. By clicking three dots, you can copy this page to other business. You can download it as a template or HTML, and also you can delete it from here. By clicking the analytics, you can monitor the visitor from here. In technology, you can track operating systems or devices used by visitors. From location, you can track from where your pages get most traffic. From goal, you can monitor conversion graph, or you can say leads. Okay. So like this, we can also create pop-ups and bars and also mails. There are many templates for them also. But if you're going to create mails, wait, let me show you. So click on new mail. Let's name it test and create. So you will get this error. Please add SMTP server first. So we have to add SMTP servers. So click on the gear or setting icon on the top right side, and from mail setting, you can add SMTP server. And after that you can create a mail to get started. Okay, so next option is A/B test, where you could do a A/B test of pages, pop-up and bars and mail also. Okay, so then you have option of analytics. You can monitor your audience, page, pop-up, bars and mails. It's pretty cool that you get all these options just in one app, right? So at the bottom there are four options: channel, my drive, training. Here you will get step-by-step tutorials and integration. From here you can integrate your autoresponder, webinar, CRM, content provider and drivers easily. So that's all about the MarketPal. So in my opinion, it is a good product, or you can say it's a pretty advanced application to sell and market your products or services, which is capable to create pages, pop-up and bars, and also you can send emails to your customers. And the most important thing, that you can monitor or track your audience or traffic all by just one app. Also, there is one more app in my mind is Max Mails, which is quite similar to MarketPal, but definitely MarketPal is more cheaper than it. Okay, and yes, you can also integrate programs like autoresponders in MarketPal. So each and everything is in one powerful application, right? So it will cost you around $47 for Start Edition and around $68 for Pro Edition. So I will advise you to go with Pro Edition because here you will get commercial rights also. So for upsells or OTOs, you can check the link in description. Also, don't forget about the bonuses. I will provide you some insane bonuses that will actually help you with this product. And